the big nerve, they would soon come so close to greatness, they'd be able to hear its mighty biceps ripple. But first, they'd have to tackle a brain-eating zombie T-Rex.
Hey, wait a minute. I don't recall no brain-eating zombie T-Rex.
Okay, fine, Killjoy.
Well, you look about all fixed up here. Now promise me you'll get that info bot to Captain Quark.
I promise. Thanks for your help.
No problem. See you in the next reboot.
Ratchet and Clank were delighted to discover that their newly repaired ship now had an upgraded hyperspace navigation computer.
Okay.
The invasion has started. Scan the emergency channels. We need to find out what's happening on the ground.
Attention, all units! The Hall of Heroes is under attack. Repeat, enemy ships are now in the central district of Valero City. Galactic Rangers are under heavy fire at the Hall of Heroes. And there's a Blarg transport closing in fast. Brace for Warbot reinforcements, Rangers. All civilians, evacuate the area.
We must assist the Galactic Rangers, activating weapon systems. Weapons online. You may now attack the transport. Warning. That's not critical. We must assist the Galactic Rangers, activating weapon systems. Weapons online. You may now attack the transport.
Transport down!
Yeah!
Whoever you are, thank you. More transports! Those transports are dropping off warbots all over the city.
Not on my watch. Alarm transport down.
He took out another ship.
Whoever's doing heroic things up there.
Another transport down. It appears there are only 3 ships left. Yeah, another one down.
2 more ships.
Yes, we're on a roll.
1 ship left.
That's the last of them.
Thanks, guys. Looks like you got all the transports. But we still gotta take out that warship.
The Warbot's armor is made of a rare titanium alloy. If we could propel a Warbot at the ship with sufficient velocity, I believe it would penetrate the hull. Awesome. And how do we do that? Your weapon package includes a mag booster. I'm rewriting the software to isolate the Warbot's armor. There. You should now be able to pick up Warbots using the mag booster. Okay, let's try this out. Mag booster active. There should be some Warbots nearby. You can now pick them up and pull them toward the warship. Activate mag booster. Get it? Warning. Oh, that's not good. Warning. It appears we can repair our ship with the nanotech those Blarg saucers leave behind. Oh boy, we're going down.